Hi, this is Pua. My full name is Bhuvaneshwari Ponnaya. I am from Sri Lanka and I recently graduated from the University of Melbourne. I did my Masters in Development Studies and specialized in gender and development. If I was selected, this is the first time I am going to participate in the Alumni Network. I am so excited and I have been working in the development sector for more than 15 years and a lot of experience in sharing with other women. Currently, I joined for an international organization called World University Service of Canada, and I am working as a gender equality and social inclusion advisor and working with northern women, especially impacted by the long civil war in Sri Lanka, and they are very marginalized, and we are promoting their leadership as well as entrepreneurship development. There are so many barriers for women economic participation in the context of Sri Lanka, though women population wise they are higher than men, but their economic participation is very low. There are various reasons, and one of those reasons include societal accepted gender norms as well as unpaid care work, and also men they don't share gender roles in the household and also community. So I'm so excited in this project because we are creating a gender responsive ecosystem to improve equal access for women economic participation, and because there are various gender discriminatory practices and also unconscious bias in terms of providing services for women, because people perceive women are not good leaders in the business, and the business forum mostly occupied by men. So the previous project I was working is with promoting female leadership in enterprise development and also impact investment, because those are very low women participation in the context of Sri Lanka. Even in the South Asian region, the impact investment network is so poorly occupied by women. So gender lens investing is other area. So if I was selected, I'm so excited to share my experience in working with marginalized women group and also how to improve women leadership, how to provide coaching and mentoring support, and also like networking and improving their social capital. So I am so excited, and thank you.